Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Eating healthy foods would keep you healthy and free from diseases. Today let us see few healthy foods that is good for you. Let us begin. A healthy diet is a balanced diet that includes all the necessary nutrients, fluids, macronutrients, micronutrients, and the right calories in correct amount in your daily meal. It helps to maintain and improve your health that may include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, excluding processed food and other sweetened beverages. Now let us see few healthy foods that keep you going. First are the fruits and berries. They are the most popular healthy foods that are sweet and delicious, which require no preparation and you may include in your daily diet. Apples, avocados, bananas, oranges, lemon, kiwi, pineapple, pears, strawberries, mangoes, and many more are healthy fruits. Fruits are rich in vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, iron, potassium, manganese, and other vital nutrients. These are the nuts and seeds. Nuts contain fats and high amount of calories that helps in reducing weight. It is crunchy, filling snack and can incorporate easily in your daily diet regime as it does not require any preparation. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds may be included in your diet as they are rich in vitamin E and magnesium. These are the vegetables. It contains a considerable amount of calories and loads of nutrients in the variety of plants available that are very healthy and nutritious too. Bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, cucumber, garlic, tomatoes, onion, kale, cauliflower are the few vegetables that you include in your daily diet to remain healthy. They are rich in vitamin C, K, antioxidants and few carbs that is essential for your body. Next comes the grains. They are the healthy foods that are high in carbs and protein but are not advisable for those who are following the low carb diet. Brown rice, wheat, oats, etc. are few grains that are rich in vitamins, fiber and magnesium that may include in your daily diet. Next comes the legumes. Legumes are the empty nutrients that interfere with the digestion process but eliminates after undergoing the process of soaking and proper cooking techniques. Green beans, kidney beans, lentils, peanuts are the few legumes that are rich in minerals, fibers, antioxidants, vitamins and protein. Among them, peanuts are tasty, nutritious when eaten raw and helps in reducing weight. These are the oats. They are extremely healthy food that loads with numerous nutrients and fibers and has innumerable health benefits and keeps you healthy and strong. Quinoa is a healthy and tasty grain that gains its popularity in recent years, which is rich in nutrients such as fiber and magnesium. It is also rich in plant-based protein. I hope the information was useful for you and would incorporate few of the foods in your daily diet and live a disease-free life. Thank you.